I salute everybody where they watch me. I want to slay queens now matter I carry come. All these slay queens will be said they no go stay their meter. Now one of Nana, now they don't drag. Now what's come make me say make her come as I can't talk this one. One so-called big girl, now I don't know them now. Pepper them gang. She carry herself. Say she dey enter person boutique saying won't go buy something. And she knows say she no get money. Fine and good as she do the buying and the everything. She can't decide say okay, make she pay. She can't pay with a normal transaction. Only for this lady to leave, they can't realize say now fake alert. Now until you stay pay the money. Or now they see person where they claim big girl. But God so good that the owner of this shop know this girl. Now they ain't carry army. Go meet this girl for her. Say which kind of nonsense lifestyle be that? Why be say you go they live against your miss? You know say you no get money. You won't come they play 4-1 on top of my dear they disgrace this girl. My beg. Make now follow me watch.
Now, where is my money? Why are you doing a fake picture? If you know you don't have money. Why are you doing a fake transfer? I will not keep quiet. I want you. I want you. You can't try nonsense with me. If you have been doing it to other people, this one will be the last. You are telling me it's okay. No. This one, you are following us to the bar right now. This is a girl. That the girl will say, I know for you Nilago. She used to come to my store. See, I work my ass for my money.
No, but the transfer didn't go.
You are a fool. Which transfer? Give me the phone. Give me that phone. Baba is a lie. See.
When I sent something to you.
Baba, hold on.
She didn't.
Show us the debit alert now. Show us the debit alert.
So because transfer the money.
This is the phone.
It's okay, ma.
And I don't see all this our criminal sleepings. And I go there, they do fine girl. Say I say body white. And I go tell say, no go know say na 419 scamming and they use. How be say you go know say you no get money to buy something. You no go dey your lane. And I know they pity business owners. Say these people say na their money that they use to buy all this kind of thing. And I will come enter person shop say I won't go like the person. And all these kind of people they no go buy something be say na small money. They don't go buy something of 2,000. What be say you go even reason so make a pity. They go buy something 100k, 200k. They will come carry themselves. So even if you come ask them so until you pay online, they will say I'm afraid of online vendors. You know go see now because them gonna them be the thief. Now what make them no want go pay all this kind of thing? But some make now their hustle be and this one don't dey very common inside Lagos now. Now their main hustle they go just sit down, enter your shop, buy something. They do I beg. Which kind of lifestyle? Now they make them they talk say Nigeria don't spoil. Our actions now we they do ourselves. So if say no be say this woman now go meet now so this girl go sit down. She can't they claim say the thing bounce back. I beg as he bounce back, you know the madam when you be regular customer. Why I no call and say money was sent, money don't come back. You know see you can't sit down. Where then this in fact they even like you. Because I sure say if say na so they go don't be this your yellow body if you don't red. You for no say sometimes things that you no supposed to do and go near some people side. Because she just a claim fine girl or she. If you know say you no get money, buy what if of now click 5,000, it be 5,000. If now click 200, go buy them. No go they do pass yourself. Now na kiss Daniel sing that music for. No go they do pass now na gongo. What be so na no go there na go they do. I be lucky babe, I be do some. But 5 naira on a no get. But I hope say those of now when they do this kind on a go use and learn lesson. Make no go be say one day they go beat on. By that time say they go do even born on before on eye go come clear. My people, now here I go end them about this matter. If you get anything to talk about this one, write them inside the comment section. Make now stay tuned for our next story.